Hello Lance, I'm John Genetazio. I had called you yesterday and I asked if I could send you over a video that would help you with your online presence. Without further ado, I'll get right into it. So I've noticed that your website does not work anymore. It goes directly to GoDaddy, so I'm assuming you're not paying for it anymore. I wanted to show you what you could do to help with your online presence. So pretty much what I like to do is you go find your best competitors and you copy what they do and then you do it better. So I did a search for all the custom wrapping places in Detroit and tinting windows, all the services that I noticed you do. So I have a list of like 3 that are really good. This first one is Midnight Painting and Production Film. These guys are over in Detroit. They are absolutely dominating all the areas. The area you're in, they're dominating everything. And the reason for this is because they have very good SEO and they maintain their website so it stays at the top of Google where everyone searches. So what they have is lots of content, citations, and backlinks. That's what makes a website popular or good in Google's eyes. Without those things, you just have a pretty website, which a pretty website does nothing for you. So content is all these words, anything on your website, what the pictures are saved as, helps Google because it has robots that go through your website and it scans for certain keywords. And the more content that's on your website, the longer the bots stay on, and it makes your website go higher on the Google. So keywords are key. Typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website. You want more than your competitors, but 1,500 is usually a safe spot. And you want about 500 to 600 on your back pages. But your home page, you want 15 to 2,000. But you always want more than your competitors. If they have 5,000, you gotta do 6,000. Fortunately, that's how it works. The second part is citations. Citations is your name, address, phone number listed throughout the web. So inside of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, other things. It doesn't have to be the paid for ones, it can be the free ones too. So anything that points Google to your website, which boosts your ratings up because Google sees that, oh, this person's trusted and they trust this, so I trust them, so it boosts you up. People always click 90% of people click on the map pack here and the first 3 down here. Nobody goes past the second page of Google for a service. If they are, they're a complete idiot because usually the best websites are the ones that everyone clicks on, and usually the good websites have good services. Not always. Sometimes the best services are actually people who don't have websites, which is what you have, so that could be. I do not know. All I can say is a website is worth the investment. So citations and keywords is what we've gone for. The third is backlinks, which is your site inside of another site. So it's not like your name, address, and phone number. It's actually your web page URL inside of another site linked to another word. So I'll give you an example. You would search Elon Musk, and of course, Wikipedia always shows up first. And the reason for this is they have literally millions of backlinks. If it'll ever load. See, all these in blue, these are backlinks. All these notes, everything here, there's just miles and miles and miles of content. Backlinks. These are all backlinks. This is why Wikipedia is always the first search in all of Google, because they have so many. I have this tool called Ahrefs. It tells me all about people's websites. You can get it. It's like $200 a month. I put it in here, and you can see they're getting 1.2 million people a month on their website. That's insane. But it's because of all those things I listed. So these competitors of yours, I threw them in that tool also. And this one, Midnight Protective Film, they're getting 2.2 thousand people a month on their website. I'm not sure what you could do with that, but I'm sure your business would really like to be turning down calls. And if you can't handle the calls, all you need to do is sell them to your competitor. It's very simple. And see, they don't have that many backlinks, compared to this guy over here, here's their website. They have lots of backlinks, but they're not as powerful as these ones right here. She has 24, he has 68, but these are more powerful. So more powerful means, in Google's eyes, is the same niche and the same location. So if you're in Shelby Township, Utica, and you go find another blog about car detailing and they happen to be Utica too, that is what boosts your website to the top of Google. If you put your website inside of Pizza Hut, it's not going to do hardly anything because Google sees Pizza Hut and they see car detailing and like don't go together. So it doesn't work. So what you need to do is go find keywords, you need citations, and then backlinks, and then powerful websites. This is how many keywords are being found for, which is really, really good. It obviously took them a while to build up to that, but they're bringing in this many calls. I'm not sure what your average customer is. I know the minimum car wrap is like 3,000, and the minimum window tint, is like 300. So I'm not sure how much you'll be making, but I'm sure you're not bringing in that many with Facebook. This is the other guy that is showing up everywhere. He's called Original Graphic Rep. He's bringing in 442 people a month. He shows up on every search. Like he shows up for Shelby Township, car wrapping services, Macomb, Utica, Lapeer. He shows up everywhere. Detroit. He's dominating the market for searches, and it's because he's doing all these things. He's not huge on content, but he has lots of backlinks and referrals. So that's why he's so popular. And there's no reason why you can't beat him. All you need to do is do what he's doing, plus more. This is a partner I work with in Colorado Springs. He did the same car detailing thing, and his website is now bringing in 1.9 thousand people. And Colorado Springs is smaller than Detroit. So if you can be ranking for this whole area, not just Utica where you're at, you could be ranking for Detroit, Troy, all these places. You could be bringing in this many people a month if you do it properly. Instead of just ranking for Utica, you can rank for Michigan if you want to, but that would be hard. But these guys, they have all this content, all these pictures, all these backlinks. That's why they're dominating over in Colorado Springs. And you could be doing the same here. There's no reason whatsoever. So if you like what you see, you can reach back out to me and I can help you out if you want, or you can take this advice and do it yourself. But I personally recommend to invest in a website that works. I'll leave my contact details in the email, my email and my phone number, and you can reach back out to me if you want. But if not, all I ask for is a review on this, and have a great day.